It's January 21st. We just had an ice storm, and we're about to feed Asher his first meal of food.
If he doesn't fill up on food first. Alright, so his very first meal consists of rice cereal and breast milk. And you can see that solid is kind of a misnomer. But hopefully he'll like it. There you go. Down there. Oh, he's trying to help already. So excited. Oh! There we go. Oh my God, what do you think? It's like nothing different.
No concern here.
Like, I will take some more of that, please. Here you go. Good stuff, huh?
And out it goes.
Yeah.
You want to scoop what's on his chin into his mouth?
You're such a big help. Yes, you are. You're such a big help. Try to get some more in there. You ready for some more? Can I have a hand? Can I have a hand? You need to give him 2 spoons to occupy him. Yeah, he's doing really well.
Yeah, he tends to spit out about half of it.
Not as much as I expected. Want some more? You ready for some more? Ooh, nummy, 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 nummy. You're so good. Let's get that back in there. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Ready for some more? Ready for some more? Yeah, you're like an old pro. It's like you've done this a million times before. He keeps moving his chin so I can't see what he's doing.
It's like, I prefer it on my chin, thank you.
Silly Asher, wearing your food. Silly Asher. There you go. There's some more. Just use a little bit that time. Huh? Don't eat the spoon too now. Don't eat the spoon too now. That's good stuff, huh?